Trelawny woman gone missing in Montego Bay. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 32-year-old Yolanda Beckford, otherwise called Landy of Stonebrook's Vista, Trelawny, has been missing since Thursday, July 21. She is of dark complexion, medium build, and about 172 centimeters or 5 feet 8 inches tall. Reports from the Montego Bay police are that at about 3:50 p.m., Beckford was last seen in the Montego Bay area wearing a black knicker short and a multicolored shirt and a pair of black slippers. All efforts to contact her since then have been unsuccessful. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Yolanda Beckford is being asked to contact the Montego Bay police at 876-684-9080, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.